Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I am really excited to announce the winners for the 12 Days of Christmas series. I had so much fun working on this, and hopefully, you've enjoyed all of the wonderful projects that I've created, as well as those from my wonderful colleagues. Before I announce the winners, I'd like to thank our hostess as well as my fellow designers. First, Rosa Kelly, thank you so much for hosting this for a fourth year in a row. It's been my pleasure to join you. And the designers include Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick, Debbie Adams from Creative Life, and yours truly, Robin Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. We've really had a lot of fun, and you'll notice that all of our projects are very different, so that gives you a lot of variety and inspiration for Christmas home decor as well as gift giving. I'd also like to thank each and every one of you, our new and existing subscribers. It is such a joy to wake up every morning to see your wonderful and supportive comments. I thank you so much for joining us over the past 12 days and not only leaving a comment for me, but for the other channels as well. I did want to let you know that unfortunately I was not able to reply to every single message. However, I did want to acknowledge your message by leaving a little heart, and in the upcoming days, I will go through each of the videos and try to reply to as many of you as I can. My first giveaway prize will be this lovely Christmas tree box. And the winner is Naida Creations. Once again, it's Naida Creations. Thank you so much for watching and for leaving your wonderful messages, Naida. My second giveaway is the Snow Lady stacking boxes. I really love this project and I had so much fun working on it. Let's see who the winner is. The winner is Julia Scabarras. Once again, the winner is Julia Scabarras, and Julia said, "So cute, love the eyelashes, girl. You guys are rocking making the poinsettias." Thanks so much, Julia. Congratulations once again to Naida Creations and Julius Cabarras. Please contact me within 72 hours to claim your prize. I will be sure to include my contact information in the description box below. You have even more opportunities to win fun prizes. Be sure to visit each of the channels in the YouTube Hop as they will be giving away their own prizes as well. Thanks again for participating in this YouTube Hop. Hopefully you had as much fun as I did, and I also hope that you will continue to subscribe to this channel after this series. I have lots of fun projects to share with you, and we have Winter Wonderland coming up. We have Valentine's Day coming up. There are so many fun projects that I have in store for you, and I know that is also true for my colleagues Michelle, Debbie, and Rosa. So we look forward to seeing you in the future. Thanks again for joining.